In this video, you'll learn how to request control in Google Meet. This is really useful when you're collaborating with someone and need to click, type, or navigate on their screen without them having to do everything for you. Maybe you're troubleshooting an issue, walking a coworker through a process, or editing a document together. Requesting control lets you take temporary control of their shared screen so you can handle things directly. Let's start at the very beginning, joining the meeting. First, open Google Meet the way you normally do, either by clicking a meeting link or joining from your calendar. Make sure your camera and microphone settings are how you want them, then click Join to enter the meeting. Before you can request control, you must already be inside the call and connected. Once you're in the meeting, the next part is making sure the other person is actually sharing their screen. You can't request control if nothing is being shared, so ask the presenter to share their screen. They can do this by clicking the Present button in Google Meet and choosing what they want to share, whether that's an entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. You'll know it's working when you see their shared content appear in the main area of your Meet window. After the presenter is sharing their screen, look closely at the shared content area. Depending on your version of Google Meet and your organization settings, you should see an option labeled Request Control. This usually appears as a small button or link near the shared screen, often at the bottom or along the border of the presentation area. Go ahead and click Request Control. When you do this, Google Meet sends a notification to the person who is sharing their screen. This doesn't instantly give you control. Instead, it's a polite request that they must approve. It's a good idea to say out loud that you're requesting control so they're not surprised by the prompt. Now, you'll need to wait for approval. The presenter will see a pop-up or message asking if they want to grant you control of their screen. During this time, you won't be able to move their mouse or type on their screen yet. Just hang tight for a moment while they click Allow or Approve. If they agree, you'll gain temporary control and you can start interacting with what they're sharing, much like you would on your own computer. If you don't see the request control button at all, or if the presenter doesn't get the request, it may be due to limitations set by your organization or the specific version of Google Meet you're using. In that case, you can still guide them verbally, asking them to click or type where needed. Once you're done helping, the presenter can take back full control, or the control session may end automatically when they stop sharing. At that point, you're back to a normal viewing experience in the meeting. So to recap in a simple flow, join the meeting, ask the presenter to share their screen, click Request Control if you see it, and then wait for them to approve your request. That's all you need to know to request control in Google Meet and make your remote collaboration much smoother.